Steigenberger Resort Ras Soma, Hurghada, Egypt. Steigenberger Resort Ras Soma is a stylish, all-inclusive luxury resort with Deluxe Family, superior, grand, and executive suites with private pools, royal suites, and 2 or 3 bedroom beachfront villas. Villas feature jacuzzis, indoor-outdoor showers, dining living areas, kitchenettes, and large deck. All rooms offer TVs, minibars, safes, and luxury bath amenities. The resort has 2 Olympic pools and 5 exceptional signature restaurants. Kahramana with lavish buffets, Arabesque serving Lebanese, Cabana for Italian, Benisuma with Asian and Japanese flair, and Maya Beach for Mediterranean delights. Safari Lobby Bar is open 24 hours, offering cocktails and cigars. Activities include paddle tennis, water sports, tennis, volleyball, boccia, mini football, gym, fitness classes, yoga, and a kids club. Mividaspa features massage, sauna, Jacuzzis, and salon services. A diving and kitesurfing center is available on site. The resort is located 30 minutes from Hurghada Airport on a 300 dm sandy beach. There are few places that truly make you pause and marvel. Steigenberger Resort Ras Soma is one of them. Set along Egypt's golden east coast, directly on the Red Sea, Steigenberger Resort Ras Soma is surrounded by crystal clear waters and magical desert mountains, creating a landscape as captivating as the experience itself. Impressive and magnificent, comfortable and cozy. This is how the superior grand rooms in our luxury resort welcome you. But not only the luxurious hotel room should be a relaxing place of retreat, you can also relax on your private terrace. Hotel promise you more than delicious dishes in exquisite restaurants. We promise you unforgettable experiences. Let yourself be pampered by Mediterranean delicacies at the Steigenberger Resort Ras Soma. Discover flavors from around the world, or indulge in the charm of Italian, Lebanese, and Asian cuisine. Regardless of your dining choice, a world of culinary delights and diverse flavors awaits you. A breakfast buffet is served in the culinary heart of the hotel. Kahramana prides itself on using only fresh and organic ingredients for its international cuisine. You can also look forward to exquisite lunch and dinner buffets where a variety of delicious dishes await you. Each meal is carefully prepared to satisfy every palate and offers a diverse selection of culinary delights. Whether you're craving savory or sweet, our lunch and dinner buffets promise an unforgettable dining experience that enriches your trip with every bite. The Safari Lobby Bar and Lounge is the ideal venue for an after-dinner drink. Revel in a diverse selection of fine beverages, from cocktails and wines to local and imported spirits. Enhance your visit with an elegant tea time experience, making your evening truly memorable. To complete the experience, a humidor filled with hand-picked Cuban cigars awaits you. Masterfully showcasing the art of Asian cuisine, with a delicately balanced selection of Asian specialties ranging from Japanese teppanyaki, sushi, and sashimi, as well as authentically prepared Thai and Indonesian dishes that captures the true essence of their inspiring flavors. Teppanyaki charged extra. Welcome to the Mividaspa, a modern and magnificent trademark at the Steigenberger Luxury Resort Ras Soma. Here you will immerse yourself in a world of beauty, find absolute peace and relaxation, and also yourself. Only the best pampering experiences await you here, such as sensory showers, relaxing saunas, steam baths, and jacuzzi. And we promise you one thing: after our treatments, you will feel as if you have been reborn. Exchange your vows amidst the breathtaking beauty of the Red Sea at the Steigenberger Resort Ras Soma. Set directly on the shoreline, this 5-star luxury resort offers an extraordinary setting for a wedding that is as unique as your love story. A private sandy beach, crystal clear waters, and lush greenery create a serene and intimate atmosphere, perfect for romantic ceremonies and unforgettable celebrations. The exceptional beach restaurant venue provides a stunning seaside location for receptions, while 5 distinctive dining venues, including Asian, seafood, Italian, Lebanese, and international cuisine, ensure an exquisite culinary journey for you and your guests. For ultimate comfort and privacy, the resort offers elegant rooms as well as exclusive luxury villas, complemented by world-class spa facilities for moments of relaxation before and after your special day. At Steigenberger Resort Ras Soma, refined luxury, natural beauty and heartfelt hospitality come together to create a wedding experience tailored entirely to your wishes, timeless, elegant, and truly unforgettable. Steigenberger Resort Ras Soma is celebrated by many travelers for its exceptional amenities, including pristine pools and a spotless beach, as well as diverse dining options and luxurious spa treatment. The atmosphere is often described as elegant and relaxing, with an inviting ambience. Service is highlighted for its friendly and attentive nature, mirroring the hotel's commitment to cleanliness and modern comfort. While the location offers tranquility by the sea, some note its remoteness. Overall, guests find excellent value, though some extras can be costly.